Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at a model of a Nassau class battleship SMS Westfalen. So this is a Imperial German dreadnought and was the first Imperial German dreadnought in response to HMS Dreadnought. So you can notice that she has a hexagonal layout, which just means she has 6 turrets like here, and she's designed like this because unlike HMS Dreadnought, the Germans were unable to develop Parsons steam turbines, so they had to use triple expansion engines, so they were really tall, and because of that, you can see the indentation of where they would have stuck out because they're just so tall, you couldn't fit turrets in the center line with that, so that's why that uses the hexagonal layout. So along with this, if I pull out this thing, so the Nassaus, they're kind of like a response against HMS Dreadnought, but they're also a thing of like their independent design that the Germans eventually came up with the Dreadnought of their own. So if I pull up the immediate predecessor to the Nassaus, the Deutschlands, they're not too big of a size difference between the two, surprisingly. And because of this, the Nassaus were like ridiculously slow. So between the two, they shared the same guns, which were both of these 28 centimeter SK 11-inch, whatever they're called, just these 11-inch German guns. And they do look roughly similar with the elements that they're used in between each, but the Nassaus, they set a precedent for future German battleships of 3 propellers, which is something they keep doing. And they're pretty short little dreadnoughts. I mean, they're not the smallest, but at the same time, like, they aren't very big. You got the España class of Spain takes the cake for the smallest dreadnought. So if I take another ship, in this case, the SMS Heligoland, so the Heligoland is the next class of just like her successor, the Nassau successor, and both of these look relatively similar, and the way you can tell apart the two is the Heligoland has 3 small funnels and is longer. The Nassau has two larger funnels and is shorter. So these two ships, they had pretty much the same design between the Nassaus and the Heligolands, but the Heligolands were longer and swapped 11-inch guns for 12-inch guns, which the Germans would keep for a bunch of their other dreadnought battleships. So yeah, this is just like a small talk about these early German dreadnoughts and pre-dreadnoughts and whatnot. So anyways, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and share this video.